is Flashing Thunder Sea Blue Tail to Brocade with Brocade Tail.
That's what's really gonna woof up.
Well, this is a big 8, guys.
Big 8s are little. 8s are little.
Oh!
Nice. Little.
Flashing thunder.
High firecracker.
Damn.
Right.
All right.
The percussion.
Second one is a Crown Pyro Super Brocade Crown with red and green swimming pistol
Swimming.
with a red
So
tail.
pistol that swims.
Yeah, we'll see what
This
that
is
is.
Crown Pyro out of
So
Michigan.
goes that
Yep.
fast swimming. It's a pistol that swims, kind of.
Woo! Oh my God, look how huge that is.
Look out. Coming
Still
down.
coming down.
Coming down.
Here she comes.
Coming down.
All right, last one's a special for Dad.
Okay, happy birthday to Dad.
Surprise.
It's a surprise, Grandpa.
Well, that's
Okay,
Yep.
what is it, Oh, this is a surprise. Don't want to see what it is?
We'll just say the name of it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
It's 1,000 palms, I believe.
1,000 palms.
Is that huge?
This is happy birthday, Grandpa. Woo! Oh,
That's
wow.
That's the one.
Yeah, that's it. Oh,
one
look
there.
how pretty.
She's still going.
Horrible.
It's heading up to the next place. Jeez.
Wow.